At this point, all underbody work has been completed. In addition to cleanup, rust repair patchwork has been fabricated for the front radiator support, right next to the front chassis mounts on both sides. There is a separate video outlining that repair. The complete frame, suspension, and axles have been high-pressure washed, descaled, degreased, and given a final wash with pure Sunlight soap. Next, everything has been treated with 1 or 2 coats of Loctite SF743 rust converter, and then finally painted with Tremclad gloss black exterior metal paint. The cab and box were factory undercoated, and that coating has stood up very well. The undercoated areas are completely rust-free, which is amazing for the year of this truck. However, the high-pressure washing did in fact peel away an amount of the factory undercoating, and as such it was decided to give the body a fresh second coat of protection, as can be seen here in the video. The side skirts and wheel arches, which are traditional places for early rust damage, are just like new. However, the front and rear differentials have suffered from rust shale buildup due to the truck being used to launch and recover a boat from the ocean for many years. The shale has been removed, but the evidence of it will remain forever. Now that this portion of the restoration has been completed, the final step will be to fully coat the entire body and frame with brand name fluid film.